we're ready to get started. The first step is to start a Google Workspace account. You can do that by going to bossproject.com/Google-Workspace. You will see all the options that you can start a plan for. This is a paid subscription through Google, but it also gives you access to like upgraded storage and other features that are not available on a free Google plan. For most businesses, Business Starter will give you plenty of what you need to do if you're just getting started. So go on and start a trial and follow the prompts. I have done that, and now I'm ready to set up my domain and verify that I actually own the domain that I'm saying is associated with this Google Workspace account. You will want to pull up your domain host DNS. This might be on Squarespace. In this example, this will be GoDaddy. To move forward, I'm going to log into my GoDaddy account, and then I'm going to click this Get Started button, and we're going to see various prompts here. So when we get to this, we have the option to sign in to GoDaddy and do automatic verification, but I think it's really important in this tutorial to show you how to do that manually and add the DNS records from Google Workspace to your domain. By knowing how to do the manual steps, you will know how to do this and get your domain verified if the automatic methods were to fail. So I'm going to go through here and select GoDaddy is my domain host. I'm going to hit continue. Now we get to this screen that asks us to add a verification code. And when we get to that, we're going to be able to see that inside of here, there's a value, and this is blurred out on my screen. What we're going to now do is go to GoDaddy, go to our DNS records inside of GoDaddy, navigate to that. You're going to see a bunch of these fields that say like type and then a name. You're going to see CNAME records. You're going to notice we do not have a TXT record. Then you'll have data that's like auto-populated here and other options. When we go back to our domain setup here in Google, it says that this is a TXT record. I'm going to copy this value, and then we're going to hit add new record. We're going to choose an option. So this is type TXT. When we go to the TTL, it says set a default or lowest value. So in here, half an hour is the lowest value. The name set to the default value is going to be an @ okay? And the @ tells it that the name is the domain. Then the value, I'm going to paste that in here, and I'm going to hit save. And you see down here that the TXT record got added. Now we have to go back to Google Workspace because we're not quite done. So now when I go back to Google Workspace, down here at the bottom, it says come back here and confirm once you've updated your code on your domain host. And I'm going to hit confirm. Getting your domain ready. So now it says you have verified creatordiary.com. You're all set using your Google Workspace apps. Yay! Now we just have to continue to activate. And now we have to set up Gmail to send and receive emails. Now we have to add this MX record. Again, we're going to follow through going to GoDaddy, and I'm going to hit continue. So in this instance, now I have an MX record. Again, I'm going to set it to default value. Priority is 1. Value, this is a generated link that basically says, hey, this person does have a Google Workspace account. And then again, set to lowest value. We're going to go to GoDaddy. I already have that window set up here. So I'm going to hit add new record. Type, it said it was an MX record. The name is @ priority 1 right here. Priority 1, half an hour. That's the smallest. I've added in my value, and now I'm going to hit save. Updating DNS record. I have successfully added in here an MX record and a TXT record for my domain from Google Workspace. So let's go back and see what Google says is the next step. So we're back in Google, and then we're going to, again, check this little check mark and hit confirm. Getting your domain ready. So let's wait a minute or two. Okay, so that was verified. So now we can activate Gmail. It verified that we had the MX record on our DNS Gmail is now ready. When we go to Google Workspace, we can say we're going to use Gmail, Google Docs, Sheets, Calendar, Drive. So we have successfully logged in. We see all of our apps. You log into this account as if you would log into your personal Gmail. You just use the credentials that you set up in the beginning.